M, that's 2 over 1, and B is negative 3. Okay? M, that's negative 3 over 2, and B, that's 4. Alright? So we have two different lines. Let's grab the first line. Always start at the B, the y-intercept. Okay? So line 1B is negative 3, which is right here. From there, you go up 2 over 1, 1, 2 over 1.
Then you sketch a line.
And then I just go ahead and label this y1. Alright, so I know that's the first line. Okay. Now we do the same thing for the second line. You start at 4, which is right here. Then you go down 3 over 2.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, which is right there, 3 over 2. Then you sketch a line.
So that's y2. Okay, so the two lines cross at one point. The point that this two line cross is right here. So that's 2, 1.
So the solution is 2, 1. Alright?
We need to solve for y for that. Alright, so let's solve for y. 3y equals 12 minus 4x. I put that over there. That's why it become a negative 4x. And then I divided by 3 to all of the values. So y equals 4 minus 4 over 3x.
You start the number by itself, no x, 4. So you start at 4 right here. Okay? Then you go down 4 over 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Then you sketch a line. Alright? Okay, line 2. Let's call it y2. You start at the number by itself. Okay? The one without the x, 4. Then you go down 4 over 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Alright? So here's the situation. The two lines are the same. Okay? So this is same two lines. So the answer is all real numbers. Alright?
Alright, so first we're going to solve for y for both equations.
So we have 4y equals 4 minus 3x. Because I put that on the other side. Divide by 4. So y equals 1 minus 3 over 4x. And bring that on the other side. 8y equals negative 8 minus 6x. Divide by 8. Y equals negative 1. 6 over 8. You need to reduce that. Alright, 6 over 8 is 3 over 4. Make sure you reduce your answer. Okay? And then we are going to sketch the two lines. Right here we start at 1. Then we go down 3 over 4. Okay? Start at positive 1. Down 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So the two lines are parallel, which means we have no solution.
Okay. Now you know it's parallel also because the slope are the same. Okay? And the y-intercept are not the same. Right?
Same exact thing. Y need to be solved for. The number in front of x needs to be a fraction. Okay? Alright. So let's sketch this and let's sketch this and check solutions. Okay? So the first one, we start at negative 3. Then we go up 2 over 1. Same exact thing of what we just did. Negative 3, up 2, 1, 2 over 1. Alright.
This right here is a dashed line. It's not a solid line. Okay? Alright.
This right here we start at 4. I'm going to save this shading part in a little bit. So 4. Then go down 3 over 2. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. This right here is a solid line. Alright? So I need to make a solid line through the points.
So next I need to shade. Alright? So let's talk about the red line first. Right here, that means we shade to the bottom of the line. All right. So that's this line right here. That's y1, and that's y2. Call it y1, y2. Okay. So the red line we shade to the bottom of the line. The blue line, this is bigger than. That means we shade on the top of the line. Okay. Okay. So let me erase a few things on here. So basically, the answer is where you shade it 2 times. All right. Which means that the answer will not be in this region. The answer will not be in this region. All right. The answer is in this region right here. All right. It expands forever to the right. Okay. So we're going to check answer 0, 9. 0, 9 is up here. That's not the answer. Okay. 15, negative 3. 15, negative 3 is somewhere right here. That is the answer because inside the 2 shaded areas. Okay. 0, 5 is right here. Let me use a different color. That's not the answer. It's outside the 2 shaded areas. All right. Negative 10, 4. Negative 10, 4 is somewhere over here. That's not the answer. Okay. 3, negative 20 is somewhere down here. That's not the answer. Okay. No solution means something like this. Example. No solution means something like this. That shade on top and that shade on the bottom. They don't meet at all. Okay. That's no solution. All right. Either you have a solution or you don't. So if you select something as a solution, that should not be selected. All right. If you select no solution, then none of this should be selected.
Again, sketch my line. So let's call that y1 and let's call it y2. Okay. So we start at negative 1, up 1 over 2. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Right. Or we can go down 1 over 2 the other way. This right here is a dash line, an empty line. So let's draw the dash line. Alright. So this line is y1. Now, if you want to shade it, you can shade it, alright, if that's easier for you. This is shade to the bottom because y is less than, alright? So we shade to the bottom of this line.
Okay. Since the slope are the same. All right. This is a no solution.
About to graph all 3 lines. Okay. So let's call this y1, y2, y3. Alright, the first line I start at 2. I go down 1 over 4. 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. I go up 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 the other way.
That's a dash line and you shade to the below the line. Okay, y2. So we have y1. y2, I start at negative 2. Then I go down 5 over 4.
Let's see if we can go down 5 over 4. Alright. So I start negative 2 right here.
Okay, I cannot really go down 5 over 4, which means I can go up 5 over 4. All right. This is a negative line, so the line needs to go that way. So up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over 4 to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is also a dash line. And you shade above. All right. So let's make a dash line.
I start negative 2 and go up 1 over 2. Negative 2 is right here, up 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2.
All right. Solid line, shade above.
So
All right. So your answer is in that region. Okay. Your answer is in here. All right. The answer is not right here because we're missing a red. The answer is not right here because we are missing a green. the answer is not right here because we're missing the blue. Okay. The reason this is the answer is inside the region because we have all three. All right, all three shades. Okay, so 0, 3. 0, 3 is right here. That is not the answer. It's not inside the three shades. So the answer needs to be inside the three shades. All right, 2, 0, which is right here. That is the answer, which means that is not your choice. All right, 0, 1 is right here. That is the answer. Negative 10, 4, that is not the answer. It's all the way out here. That's not the answer. All right.